Yo,
wabonye akantu n'abagari
bona nirani bari gutotora keke nta nubwo banyitaye do urabona ntabwo wanyitaye uho habe na gato
indayo subizi ejo mushuti wawe his excellent azarahira
ejo mugitondo
mushuti wawe ibaze ko perezida ari inshuti yawe Magara.
Some people that know she that many shit.
Shakira katavu.
mutima uryoshye ubuzima
ya SMS kanogera
arezi
yeah. Oh, damn.
So guys, happy birthday to me. Yoroshye. So guys, rero niranga ibintu ndirimbire mitengo ya keke. Oira kuririmba cyane. Ngaho ndirimbire rero hamwe uririmbe mitengo ya keke twagiye. Vuga cyane. Ngo happy birthday to you. Ngaho twagiye. Dirimba tuyenza n'icyuma gukata keke dirimba bigira isoni nta muntu uri kukureba ngiye na Shakira gusa ngaririmba dirimbira dadi sinakuririmbiye kwanije disere yawe ndandirimbira imero ngiyo mani rapininze irimba ngo happy birthday to you irimba umwana hano aryana sini kandi ari kunyumva reba do kiri kunyumva ariko nta kintu na kimwe cyavuga ifurize daddy anniversaire ngarimba mu gifaransa nayo irimba irimba joyeux anniversaire joyeux anniversaire isukuri twagize isoni ninde ngo mukurite shayi mu rugo nabyaye nyine ukora ibyo ushaka ubu ntabwo bimurimo. So guys, happy birthday to me. Umuntu ushaka gusangira nanjye happy birthday kwa azaze muri gihe washize abandi nayiga Sharon na Usama maze tubatraka umuziki mwiza tubayiriza vibe kwa mbere nzaba ndi kumwe na DJ Sharon na Usama radio wash bar muzaba bari muze twishimane maze ubundi guys naba umva nzaba hashoye danje none ku muntu ushaka kuma gift aho ngapininze nimero none ku muntu utayishaka none kuma gift abinyifuriza gusabira abaje.
bro.
Yeah, always I live the life I want. I don't need to live the life people live. That shit,
Yeah.
bro.
You have to enjoy yourself, motherfucker. You got me? When you leave this world, no one can do that shit, nigga. You know me?
That's how God is badass, bro. I live the life I want.
Yeah, you have to. Yeah, you have to enjoy the life you live. You know. Damn, nigga.
Bro, I'm better than you
In what?
Yeah.
In what?
Mm.
Mani baze kubura umuntu wa danje kunuba witeguriye akantu kawe nka famille.
Yemba nitegura akantu kanje nsuru wa WhatsApp gusa. I don't champagne. I have a lot of champagne.
Oh, damn, really?
Yeah, so for sure, bro.
Oh, dang, I can't believe this shit. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, show me,
bro.
Yeah, by my side, I know the other shit.
Yeah, you know the other shit. Have you seen
I got
my father on my behind me, bro? Have you seen my father behind me, bro?
I see that fucking picture.
Have you seen this picture, bro, before?
Oh, it's amazing. Oh, damn, that is you. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Oh.
So this I can't believe my heart, because tomorrow my father have a house
To say-
today.
Oh,
So I can miss it because they you know.
Oh yes, I can't believe. Oh damn. Uva the last one, uva chako. Utwa kuri birthday y'ubushize nakwemereye ihene ninabikora naraguze ariko
Kugeza ubikora arambwiye ngo man ugenda ushaka ihene ku isoko ndagenda ndaguhamagara nimero kompoze. Ariko nyine rush man uzaza ugura
oya ngiye kwa mbere ngiye ngomba kuza the rush ihene ngomba kukubagira ihene. Hano hari umuntu wanditse muri comment ngo iri joro ngo Shakira ngagwaga pipi neza ngo niyo bidi ngaragwa mbonye
Yo, fanboy, how doing, my nigga? Are you good? Today is my fucking birthday. Happy birthday, G. Nyambo. I love you so much.
Damn.
Mwah. So, people.
Shawambaye neza kabisa.
Yeah, how you guys say, bro?
I know you, bro. You are still rich. You're still good. You look good, nigga.
Thank you, bro. That is my fucking birthday. I can dress like she, man.
I know you.
That one.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. What do you say? What do you say, bro?
I know your mother is the demon. Yeah, I know she. I know.
On my birthday, I have to look like him, bro.
You look.
Umunsi mvukiraho ari we umwana wa Nirani, umwana wa Diamond witwa Nirani. Babonye ko Nirani nuzi yavutse se wa Diamond, umwana we.
Oh yes.
Umwana wa Diamond bita Nirani yavutse, ugenda urebe kuri story yiwe barimo baramuririmbira.
Okay, reka ndebe.
Urumva harimo ikintu cy'ikirasoro.
Harimo ikintu cy'ikirasoraso. Aregura mugabo muzaranja munakoze kura undi zarangira indirimbo yiwe yivibinze muri kumwe muri video.
Urabona se ko atangiye ku bikoresho by'ishuri byakaze.
Nabibonye byakaza abantu bakureme mani General Benda mu muremere mani.
By'ishuri natangiye kubigurira Nirani kubera ko
Nirani nzamukubitira ku mugore wanjye baze ko umugore wanjye ajya ambwira ngo Nirani aramukundaga azamutegereza.
Zamutware.
Ibaze Nirani arantwaye umugore ramwita afite umwana mwiza bita Sabrina.
Uzamureka mutware kubera ko azaba ngabanyirijeho. Urumva cyane nakoreshaga anniversaire nyatumira rubanda ngatumira ari kubanda ariko ubu ngubu ndi anniversaire ngewe na Nirani gusa. Kubera ko nambwiye Nirani nabuzongera kumama wa
Shakira siribe ari muramusimplifying.
None ze Shakira ntabwo wamubonye nyine.
None ze kuze wowe na Nirani gusa Shakira muramuspa.
She is here, bro. You know she like to. Some girls like to eat the cake, but I don't know. Yeah.
Oh.
Damn.
Gature, I want to see her. Oh my time on a DJ Bura.
Kraka boro kararenze. Rega nanjye nzabukumbura.
Utaradutumira ahantu ucuranga.
Ngewe DJ naraguretse tugenda ntwendinga tugenda mfite
Have you seen him looks, bro? His looks, bro.
Oh,
Benda,
you look good.
That nigga is so expensive, bro.
Yeah.
Benda te nira nikam.
That blade it's a $100,000.
Guys, today I'm so happy. Today is
Benda.
my birthday. Yeah.
Ndakurabuye. Umuntu ndakurabuye ndimukanye muvuga ku mata mujye kungurure zanyu.
What do you say, bro?
Ase
Mujye yukaya. Oya twe
Man,
amva kwa bakuremere nyine bakuremere dore ishuri ryaje. Ni bakuremere man.
ishuri narayabitse.
Ishuri
Bamayo.
uri umuntu w'umugabo ugomba kubika mwana ugasevi.
Guys, today is my fucking birthday. If you have 1K, if you have 5K, if you have 10K.
Ibaze ko ngiye reba suri kubona ko nageze mu buriri sibaze ko ngiye kubyuka nkazi wanyu kurya keke gusa.
Ubuze ndagukeneye.
Uyu munsi ni kuri bidi mutaramutwigirira mu matwi ntabwo
I don't want you, bro.
I know. This is your special day. You have to. This is your special day. You have to do all fucking shit with your girlfriend, you know.
That's what I'm talking about.
You have to do that shit. Oh my God! Oh yeah!
Today is a special day. I respect this day because some people are not living right now. But right now,
I know that you have to enjoy like with your girlfriend, like the oh my God.
English is not good. I can't hear you, bro.
Benda. Oh my God. Oh yes. Oh my God, Captain.
What do you say?
What do you say? I say you have to enjoy with your girlfriend in this night. You have to go all that
crazy. Aramgiye ngo zana cash app. Yeah, I don't have cash app. Bro. Know what I'm saying?
Cash app ngenda ifite. Nakwandikira inbox.
Nacho biyumbiye kazimimana nkunda.
Oya. Kubera Imana natuje ubu ndasirimutse.
Turasirimutse bro. From now ibaze ko ndi kunywa Hennessy, champagne.
Yeah, I got you.
Everything, bro.
Ibaze cyakoze birthday ishumeze neza.
Maroro. Yes.
Uran uzifumanzi.
Zivine onye foto n'abatayemo se bro.
Ya foto.
Wadzutayemo. Sinaguhaye
gift.
Sinaguhaye gift wa kintu.
Gift y'idolari rimwe.
Jena guhaye idolari rimwe cyangwa 1,000.
Kandi ijoro naguhaye akazi mu amafaranga menshi. Kuyapasuramo kabiri ubwite anniversaire nziza.
Karive njye nako naguhaye.
Wama ikizi.
Akazi.
Noze ko akazi nakaguha kumereza noneho gift ibyo bimaze.
Zaza derashi. Zaza
derashi. Ajye mbona Jojo yohereje igicuri we. Igiceri cy'icumi bro.
Nyine turakwibiki.
Nyine I want to ask you what you do for living, bro.
Who? Me.
Cause I saw your message and I was like, damn, bro.
Oh, damn.
Yes.
What do you want?
DJ.
Reka mbanze mutitimbire man.
Ndabizi ko ibora atari koresha iyi phone ndabizi ko atari koresha kuri momo. Ohereza none hajiri.
Reba phone yanjye yindi dore yazimye.
Karive. Iza nyiririmbi.
Benda.
Nana mubineri.
Kubera Imana unasirimutse.
ngwino uririmbire
reba momo yawe ya Prince, thank you so much. Nakoze kunkorera amafoto akaba ameze neza, akaba yasohotse abantu bameze fresh. Iyo nimero nako iwo muniga bita Prince ari mu bantu bafotoye.
Prince ewana big respect kuri Prince afotora neza nanjye ntuza amfotora.
Oh good bro, good man. Now I'm saying, but what did you do for living? What did you do for living?
I am a dancer.
You are a dancer.
Oh, she told you.
Okay, let me ask you one question. Davine. Okay, is it your name, Davine?
Divine. You know?
Divine or divine?
Divine.
So next time if you send me like that she, I will
Kill her.
Where have you dig? Where have you dig? Wahinze.
Ibaze muri umuntu utugamba anyoresha igiceri cy'ijana.
Oh yes.
Yego.
Abana b'ubuguzi.
Beji, where have you dig? Wahinze.
Uramutse umuze muri no industry wabuhombye kimwe cya kabiri cyo kwinjiza.
Ndakaguhoranye. Boss wanjye dance mate bestie. Abantu barabambaza ngo na best ngira Benda no best wanjye.
Egerayo. Urababyumvise?
Ndabyumvise best.
Shakira arapfa kuba arahari.
Arahari. Urabizi.
Shakira nguhamagaye kangahe?
Shakira rero mu
Shakira wajwemo ajya muhe wabonye best
gitondo azatazanye champagne.
Abo se mukanya saa 12 dufite urugendo. Nyita Cedric yagutamo. Se yagutami amagambo n'amatimu.
Ari kuri code
turaryama.
Ibaze ko abantu bose bazi ko nyita Cedric aba mu Rwanda kandi aba Canada.
Yego.
Arari kodinga nabanye ibiganira bishye.
Ibaze ko nyita Cedric ari wo muntu uba muri Canada ariko waje gushakira amafaranga wono.
Biri seri
aba Canada.
Yo mu biryo.
Yaba ntaga mu Rwanda nyita Cedric uzabaze Dum.
Canada yo mu biryo yo mu kansere.
Niyo mu diaspora wenyine ukennye ku isi.
Ako DJ Balolo here.
Oh, you had the golden jeep?
Mu gitondo ufite ibintu byinshi byo kuzana.
Oh my God.
I have to.
Damn.
Ufite ibintu byinshi uri buzana.
I have to here, bro.
Oh,
everything is a good shit like. I'm saying.
Aseri wavuye mu mwijima man.
Hari umuntu maze ibihumbi 10 bita Cedric Kayitare.
Ninyita Cedric.
Aciyaga Ninyita Cedro. Aciyaga Higo.
Ninyita Cedric ntabwo uzongera kunyita.
Ntabwo nzongera kugusuzugura.
Divine ndi kumwe na kazini wanjye aryamye ku ruhande ncanye itara ya
ugira kazi ariko ubundi ri
kazini bita Olivier aryamye uruhande rwanjye itara ryamo yagira
nese wagiye muri salo
amwivyo makazi
narinde kukubaza ko nkubona bwa mbere nabonaga witonda nyuma nkabona uri umusazi.
Wabonye ndi umusazi.
Nabona uri seri.
Uri kwibuka rikasito watwigeze gusindamo bita Nyashi.
Njewe nsindana nawe.
Na Jojo Breezy yita Nyashi mu gisimenti turi kubyina. Ya Kicukiro.
Ako nago twari twasinze ko nago mwinzoga.
Okay, nibutse nanjye nazo nkurabizi.
Hari umuntu yanditse urutabo runini ngo nubwo nawe ari seriye neza ariko ababyinnyi bose ndabona bitari ako bishako.
General Benda yambaye nk'umuntu bita Tupac Shakur.
We Kayitare
uramubaza iki?
busy, bro.
cyakoze aciye agahigo pe kuva yabimbwaramutse
agomba kuzana tekawe
Umba muri aho nujya musize niwe mbona nishima.
Oh my God, oh damn, it's a $1,000, man.
Have you seen my hair?
Oh, I see the can, nigga.
Have you seen my
damn.
hair? Oh my God.
Oh dang, I like that shit. Oh.
But I don't like that hair. I like that hair.
You say, oh yes, I like it for sure.
Do you like it?
Yeah,
Because you are
like it. Yeah, man.
You are an alcohol.
Umva ugize bade mu gihe cyiza ejo